If you guys know me, you know that I love barbecue and I love a few other things, and one of those things is sitting around a fire at night. And one of the worst things about sitting around a fire is the smoke. And so BALI, premium smokeless fire pit company, sent me out this 22-inch fire pit and grill. So this thing was easy to set up. You know, it took me maybe 20 minutes. I think there's like maybe 10 pieces that you got to put together, but it's a perfect size for like a patio, a small patio. It's got an ash tray on the bottom that catches the ash. Fire heats up these outside walls and then pulls air up through the outside walls and pushes through holes on the side and creates a secondary burn and burns up all the soot and the smoke. And so it gives you this really pleasant experience of sitting around a fire without the smoke, and the heat is just right, perfect for a night like tonight. And you guys know me, I love to cook outside, and this thing actually doubles as a grill. So you can cook s'mores, you can roast some hot dogs, or you can put a steak on here. We're burning some competition blend pellets in this today, but you can just get like regular barn pellets, the type of pellets that you would put into like an animal pen or something like that. So we're burning pellets in here right now, but you can also burn hardwood, which, you know, will really work out to your advantage. Like if you want to cook a steak on this grill, throw some hickory in there. And this is actually some oak. But yeah, you want it's a 22-inch fire pit, and they recommend nothing more than about 3/4 of that width. So we've cut our wood splits into about 14-inch pieces, and it should work just fine. Throw those in there on top of the pellets. It's going to give you a nice smell, a nice burn, and this thing puts off just the right amount of heat. All right, so we've talked about the size, the fuel that you need to use, how this thing works, how it feels to stand beside it, which is really nice. Now we're going to throw the grate on there, and we're just going to cook a little something. That's not good. I recommend that if you're gonna grill, put that grate on there before it gets real high. But you know, we never give up here at American Smoke. We're gonna win every single time. Okay, so it's very obvious how you could put a super sear on a steak with this thing. Today, we're gonna cook a couple alligator and pork sausages. Y'all let me know if you're familiar with this brand right here. This is Country Pleasing Pork and Alligator. It's not a sponsored video. I just eat this stuff a lot. So I like how this thing gives you the option to cook grill style, or you can do campfire style. It's gonna cook quick. This thing's super hot. Give these a flip. One thing that I can tell you is that using the pellets, the heat was not nearly as extreme. And when we put the wood in there, you're talking about, if it was a cold, cold night right now, you would be loving this thing. The heat is intense. It greatly intensified using the hardwood as compared to the pellets. So the pellets were much more mild. But we are cooking the fire out of these sausages. One thing I really like about this thing is its size and weight, because you can take it with you and go anywhere. You can be at the beach with it and it's no problem at all. Super easy to move, easy to light, and it just provides an excellent level of comfort no matter where you are. I highly recommend this BALI 22-inch Smokeless Fire Pit and Grill. You guys check it out in the link down below.
Yours is closer than Lucy's.
Okay, so this is fun. Kids are playing in the pool right now. I'm just hanging out over here by the fire, and in a minute, we're gonna let them come over here and cook some s'mores. Sabi, you like them s'mores? This thing's gonna do an awesome job on that for sure. If you're interested in, I'll leave a link down below. You can take the American Smoke, promise that this thing is worth every penny, and it's very affordable compared to some of the competition. Guys, if you have any questions about this or any comments, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Ooh. That was it. Hershey Can I have some chocolate? No. Alright, we're sticky. We're both sticky. Get away from the fire, baby.